Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious grilled sea bream fish in pan. Here, I already prepared the cleaned and washed two sea bream, a cloves, a piece of lemon, tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of tomato paste, a half teaspoon of salt, cumin, turmeric, garlic, and coriander powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Now let's get started. Now let's cut our lemon. Now keep it. And now squeeze the remaining part. Now set aside. And now with our sea bream fish, let's make a slice part of our fish. Two slice is enough. Do it on the other side. Like this. And now let's sprinkle salt. Turn on the other side. Put every part of it, the stomach, the head, and rub the salt. Now it's done. Now let's make our sauce for the coating. Let's marinate for a few minutes. In our squeezed lemon, let's put all together our prepared seasoning. Mix it. Now done. And now let's do the coating. Let's put inside. Our prepared coating smells so good. Now let's put the sliced part. Let's put lemon, sliced lemon, and put pieces of cloves. I put the pieces of cloves in each slice part, and a piece of hamod. Lemon. Put it on the stomach. Let's do it on the other side. Now it's done. Let's do the other fish. And then let's marinate for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our sea bream is ready to grill. Now here our grilling pan. Put our fish. There's remaining sauce. Leave and grill it until ready to turn on the other side. And now after 15 minutes, let's turn it on the other side. Let's turn the other fish. Now we turn it on the other side. Let's leave again for another 15 minutes. And as you can see, as it's grilled, it's struck a natural fish oil. That's why I didn't put any oil in my ingredients. Smells so good. I can't wait. Taste it. After 15 minutes, our delicious grilled sea bream fish is ready to serve. Smells so good.
Smells so good. That's one of my favorite foods. Looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it.
Now it's ready to serve.